Today I'm going to show you two apps, our administrative dashboard on the left and our mobile app on the right, and how they interact when it comes to commuting. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've created a few employee pickup locations. As an example, you can see Costco Ogdenville, Shelbyville Arena, Shelbyville GO Station. We've also set up a few routes to simulate what it might look like for your organization. For this example, Springfield to Ogdenville has two scheduled shifts with 22 riders. If we go into the shift, we can see what the start and end times are for these two routes. On the bottom, you can also see a visual on the map that shows all the stops and suggested routes. Let's walk through what this looks like in real time. In this example, the shuttle provider has started a trip. On the mobile app, you can see the trip is active. From your dashboard, you can see a live view of where the shuttle is at all times. Your employees can also track the shuttle on the app once they select the trip they want to ride. So for this example, this trip has started from Springfield to Ogdenville. This is the driver's location, and this is the first expected stop. Once the driver has reached the first stop, the boarding process begins. For example, as a rider here, I'll join this trip. Since the rider and driver are in close proximity, the rider has automatically been boarded. As you can see, the rider also has the ability to track the shuttle and the progress at all times. The second method of boarding also allows the users to present a QR code for the driver to scan. The last method is a manual boarding completed through the driver's app. These boarding methods provide redundancies to ensure safety for your shuttle as well as tracking for yourself. As the driver arrives at pickup spots, you can see updated routes on the dashboard. You can see here the first one has been completed and the second one is completed. We'll quickly simulate a few stops and employee pickups for this demonstration. As you can see, the dashboard gets updated in real time every time a stop has been completed. As the driver finishes the route, the rider will be notified of the end of the trip. If you go into the trip history, you can see additional details about the route. For example, it'll show you the scheduled arrival time, actual arrival time, and who's boarded at which stops.